In this particular activity and lesson, I'll be teaching you how to create a concept painting in Autodesk Sketchbook. Click on that top left button and then on New Sketch. We'll start out with this landscape painting. Now, in any piece of concept art, especially in movies or video games, you'll find that there are lots of different environments. For this particular scene, I'm going to have dinosaurs running around, and I might have some spaceships in the sky. So I'll bring in some of these Star Destroyers here. Why don't we say that these spaceships are basically firing down some laser blasts. And so I downloaded some laser blasts. So there's lots of destruction, there's lots of damage. We need to make this scene look a little more cohesive. So I'm going to create a new layer, and I'm going to drag it all the way to the top. And I'm going to use my brush tool again. This time I make my brush kind of big. And let's have red. Let's have like a red overlay here. So what we'll do is we'll basically paint some red all over the image. It's basically going to create like a mask that meshes all the layers together. That is, we could say that is our first concept painting. You can go ahead and save your work by clicking on Gallery and then Save Current Sketch. And then from there, you can go ahead and press the Share button and save image.